Hello viewers, Republic Day Sale 2026 will be live on 16th January on Amazon.in. You will get early access if you are a Prime member, and if you have SBI credit card, in that case you will get instant 10% discount. We all know that Flipkart and Amazon.in will sell tablets in the name of Republic Day Sale. So if you are planning to buy any tablet or iPad, this will be the best time for you. Amazon is teasing that there will be discounts on tablets like iPad 11th generation, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, Xiaomi Pad 7 Nano Coating, OnePlus Pad 2, OnePlus Pad Go 2, and on a wide range of Lenovo products. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, in that case Amazon will be the best site to buy this tablet. The best price for Tab S10 FE would be around 29,000 rupees. If you don't get this pricing, don't buy this tablet right now. Similarly, you will get discounts on Lenovo Idea Tab Pro. The best price for Idea Tab Pro is 22 to 24,000 price bracket. Also, if you are planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 7 Nano Coating display, in that case the best price would be around 27 to 28,000 rupees for the 256GB variant. And if you want to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price would be 28,000 rupees, maximum 29,000 rupees. And if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, in that case I don't think you will get enough discount on this tablet. The best price for this tablet is around 40 to 42,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the best price would be around 23 to 25,000 rupees, but on Amazon.in this tablet will not be available at the discounted price. Tab S9 FE Plus will be sold on the best price on Flipkart.com. Also, there will be discounts on OnePlus Pad Lite. The best price for the 6GB variant is around 11,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 8GB 128GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 13,000 rupees. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy any tablet or iPad or not. Hope this video has become informative to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.